Wow, so yes, Taurus, you're going to be really breaking free from some sort of tradition, some sort of pact. You're going to be the lone wolf here, surprising yourself with some sort of manifestation that you may even surprise yourself with. The wolf represents a calling, the self without others, and a great expansion. Moving away from restrictions and repression, and honestly possibly embodying this emperor energy. Moving forward, as a leader, as a manifester, as an energy that's able to bring calm to chaos, to break away, to stand alone, to be that leader, that protector, that provider, but also the ability to stand firm in your beliefs, in your power, empowered through obstacles and threats, delays, almost surprising yourself in the process. Okay, so this could be your energy, Taurus, or the energy of someone in your field. Okay, but there is a definite end of cycle here. Ten of Wands is taking on a lot of burdens, taking on a lot of pain from the past, a lot of struggles, and knowing that it'll pay off, but really just a cycle's ready to close, and it is the beginning of something new, an expansive new beginning, expansive new territory, standing alone, you're gaining power, okay? Or someone is doing this in your energy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into, well, first we're going to draw a sacred spirit card for Taurus, okay? Also remember, we have the High Priestess in reverse, repressed emotions and secrets. We also have the Lover's card here, Gemini energy, someone needing to make a head over heart decision, reevaluate their motives in regards to a path in which needs to be taken. Taurus. Someone is trying to find balance and strength and inspiration, and they're trying to cut through some sort of truth, or cut through some sort of oppression or delusions to get to the truth. Okay, so Sacred Spirit card for my Taurians, please. Can we get a Sacred Spirit card for Taurus? How we can integrate this information into their reading and give them some words of wisdom and healing. Sacred Spirit Oracle card for Taurus, please. One card, please. One Sacred Spirit Oracle card for Taurus. One card. One card. That was two. Illuminating the shadow, number 21, breaking down to the number 3, focus on a solution. Number 3 is all about balance, mind, body, and spirit, the connection between the self and the spirit and the mind. Ascendant Master numbers. Very spiritual healing numbers. Okay. Illuminate the shadow. Focus on a solution. This is all about really facing the darker aspects of yourself, challenging those aspects and defeating them, shining the light on those parts of yourself that you do not want to see or that you do not want to acknowledge. Okay, number 21. Okay, so this is all about, you see the flames coming off of the crown chakra. It's all about shining the light on those darker aspects of yourself. Hidden aspects. I'm trying to see, are those ravens? Number 21, illuminate the shadows. Simplify the issue. Focus on a solution. Like I said, guys, when I started your reading, it was so much dense energy. It's been like that for the last couple readings for you guys. A lot of repression, okay? A lot of dense energy, reclusiveness, injustice, repressed emotion, a warped sense of commitment, or some sort of traditions. There's a lot of judgment, okay? A lot of negativity, depression, someone fighting though to find the strength. You had the High Priestess in reverse in the Good Tarot. Just a lot of repressed emotions and secrets, okay? When we understand our shadow, we can fully appreciate the light. We must have both aspects within our spirit to have a meaningful life. Without darkness, how can one fully appreciate the beauty and simplicity of life in all its forms? Once we remove fear and personal doubt, it makes room for love, confidence, and motivation, reclaiming your personal power. Our shadow self highlights the need to place ourselves first. When we are stuck within our shadow side, we are unable to see the light of day. We become clouded and foggy with confusion, often forgetting gratitude and compassion through our own selfish moments. Illuminating the shadow is to fully understand our personality and subsequently understand the shadows in others, enabling us to be more considerate of another person's hardships and developing empathy with and compassion for other people. Right now, you are encouraged to illuminate the section of your personality that are working against your situation. Accept that these challenging aspects are part of you. Embrace them, love them, and plan how to achieve a form of balance and make this part of your psyche ultimately work for you. Now is the time to focus on a resolution instead of just on the problem or challenge. How did you get here? Acknowledge your current circumstances and focus on how you can achieve a positive outcome. Now is the time to get your personality in line with conscious thought. Apply these balanced characteristics to areas in your life that could utilize these energies, such as leadership, communication, relationships, employment, and self-talk with your spirit. Once you grow your understanding of your unique personality, you can begin to realign your life to nurture and support your goals and personal interests. Your shadow aspects. Be mindful of narrow-mindedness, ego-driven behaviors, and cynicism. Sacred crystals that'll be useful for you during this period are golden sheen obsidian. Obsidian is really good, especially black obsidian, for really making you go deep, allowing you to go deep into your emotions and really processing them and grounding them. I think the golden sheen obsidian is probably good for bringing out the lighter aspects of your personality, those that help you focus on those things that were mentioned, like leadership and communication and relationships and confidence. Maybe it's good for your sacral angel assistance for this period, Archangel Betrayal, the angel of problem solving and finding solutions. Affirmation: I effortlessly create peaceful solutions with my new personality. I'm sorry, not my new personality. I effortlessly create peaceful solutions with my personality. I effortlessly create peaceful solutions with my personality. I effortlessly create peaceful solutions with my personality. Illuminate the shadow, simplify the issue, focus on a solution. When we understand our shadow, we can fully appreciate the light. Okay. So now, Taurus, we're going to jump right into your recent past to current energy. Okay? Okay. Alright, so in your current energy, we have the High Priestess, the Five of Swords in reverse, along with the Three of Swords. So once again, we have more betrayal, okay? Heartbreak, deception, repressed emotions, secrets. We already know that there is some issues of someone in your energy field could be family, could be a mother energy, but it's definitely an earth energy. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. That is very reclusive. Doesn't have to be a family member. It could be another soulmate or an ex relationship, etc. But there's someone who is very fixated on keeping a pact together or preventing a tradition from ending. There is a whole energy around corruption and injustice and a lot of melancholy feelings about secrets and about someone's star potential not being met or lived up to. Someone is feeling betrayed. There's definitely going to be an ending of some sort. The energy of a tower moment, of the universe stepping in. Okay, so recent past to current energy. High Priestess in reverse. The Five of Swords in reverse, along with the Three of Swords, okay? Three of Swords is definitely a third-party situation. Betrayal, pain, overall heartbreak, okay? The High Priestess in reverse is repressed emotions, not trusting your intuition, secrets, all about the moon, okay? This could be Scorpionic energy, Cancerian energy, repression, mistrust, okay, secrets and loss. So, Taurus, this could be your energy here. The High Priestess in reverse. You're feeling very hurt right now, okay? A lot of repressed emotions. Could be from your past, could be from your childhood, could be, you know, feelings coming up in your recent to current energy about your past, a past relationship. But there's a lot of mistrust, and there's a huge sense of loss, okay, in regards to a third-party situation, okay? There is pain and grief and deception and rejection, and it is running very deep, okay? These feelings are running very, very deep. But you or someone in your energy, but this is your energy, but please feel free to reverse the roles, okay? With the Five of Swords in reverse, yes, there has been a huge amount of selfishness, tension, entitlement, and betrayal, but someone is seeking resolution, okay? Someone wants a reunion, or someone is trying to stop a reunion of some sort. Someone is trying to stop a resolution, or someone is trying to stop the forgiveness of a situation revolving around a third-party situation, okay? So that is the current energy, okay? And remember, all this is revolving. This betrayal, this third-party situation, this repressed emotion and secrets are all surrounding a masculine energy, an emperor, unless this is your energy, because Taurus, you could be embodying the emperor, trying to move past a situation to potentially step out on your own, end of a burden, but this definitely could be surrounding a Aries or a divine masculine, okay? That's at the end of a cycle, that's trying to move forward, possibly with a third-party situation, because there was some sort of rejection and there's some loss, mistrust, okay? There could be somebody trying to make a decision about a divine lover's connection here that is creating a lot of tension and betrayal and mistrust. There's definitely some energies around some sort of reunion that is causing a lot of betrayal, pain, and heartache. We're going to clarify. All-knowing source, divine spirit, archangels, simple masters 5D and above, ancestors 5D and above. Allow me to be the channel. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Truthful, clear, precise messages for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please clarify the High Priestess. Who is the High Priestess? Taurus, there is you are very mistrustful. You have not trusted your intuition. You feel a lot of regret for not trusting your intuition, or maybe ignoring your intuition. But there is a lot of repression, repressed anger, hurt, feelings, revolving secrets, and revolving a loss, okay, involving a King of Cups energy. The High Priestess represents the moon and secrets and pain, and there is a lot of repressed emotions revolving around secrets about or surrounding or involving a King of Cups energy, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. This masculine energy could have Scorpio moon, Cancer moon, or just have water placements, okay? Yeah, lots of loss and secrets revolving around this King of Cups energy. The King of Cups in reverse is very, very imbalanced. The King of Cups in reverse is intolerable, moody, abusive, dependent. If you're embodying this High Priestess energy in reverse, Taurus, you could be revealing secrets about a masculine energy, a masculine water energy, okay? This King of Cups energy in reverse. There could be some sort of abuse or manipulation involving this a water sign, okay? A masculine energy, some sort of secrets coming out, okay, and about this King of Cups, okay? Cancer, Piscean, Scorpionic energy here, both ways. Yeah, a lot of mental entrapment. Bottom of the deck. Air energy. Clarify the Five of Swords in reverse. Five of Swords in reverse. Five of Swords in reverse, please. Oops. Four of Pentacles. Yeah. Lots of pain and secrets and loss surrounding a third-party situation. Betrayal, lies. Someone wants to recover. Someone wants to reunite. Taurus, you may be wanting to hold on. Okay. You want recovery with someone. You're holding on to a situation that caused you quite a bit of pain. You're holding on to someone who may have been very selfish and entitled, and that created a lot of tension. Possibly this King of Cups energy. You want a resolution, or someone wants a resolution, okay? In regards to this situation, and someone is holding on. but someone's holding on for the wrong reasons, because all I see is deception, abuse, and secrets in the situation. But someone wants recovery, someone's holding on. Clarify the Three of Swords. Yeah, the truth is coming out about something. There's going to be some hardcore communication coming forward in regards to some sort of secrets that are going to be revealed, possibly with the new moon and Libra, about an injustice. Okay? Clarify the Three of Swords. Clarify the Three of Swords. There's been a betrayal. Third party situation. Taurus, you the situation has caused you a lot of pain and grief, and you have been rejected by someone you have repressed your feelings, you have forgiven someone over and over, okay, and you still somewhat see this person as your Ten of Pentacles, okay? But someone's holding on, okay? Five of Swords in reverse. It's about recovering and finding resolution. The overall energy is the Emperor at the end of a burden. Someone is trying to break free from the pact. There has been loss, and there are secrets, and someone not trusting their intuition. Okay, revolving a King of Cups. There's been abuse, there's been neglect, but someone is still holding on. Okay, I see what they're telling me. Someone is still holding on despite the third party, but they're holding on for the wrong reasons. sometimes with the Ten of Pentacles, you have to be careful. This is not, on the outside, it looks like a happy home, like wish fulfillment. You have a happy couple here, a couple dogs, and a little child there. But then there's someone at the bottom. They're looking on. Someone feels cheated, okay? Taurus, you could feel cheated out of this complete fulfillment and happiness because of the third-party situations. And you or someone, like I said, feel free to reverse the roles, is holding on for Pentacles, okay? There is possibly someone is not trusting your intuition, and ignoring the signs, holding on for the wrong reasons, for outward appearances, for traditional reasons. Someone is not wanting someone to break free. Because there is a need for a head over heart decision here with this Lover's card. This Three of Swords is not in reverse. It is upright. So there is definite third party situation going on. There is not a balance of communication, open communication. Someone is holding on and someone is not there. Moody, unbalanced, King of Cups in reverse, okay? Taurus, yeah, there is an imbalance here in regards to a relationship, and it's two different people aren't seeing eye to eye in the situation. There's someone holding on and there's someone who's walking away. There's been betrayal, and someone is looking for their Ten of Pentacles, but someone is holding on to their idea of Ten of Pentacles here. Wow. Took me a while to come around to that because it's like a lot of conflicting energies. Very conflicting energies, mind you. We have the Tower in reverse on the bottom of the deck. So this is a very strong energy of denial, of ignoring intuition, moving forward in situations that calls for you to find a new solution to a problem or an issue that has not changed. The continual efforts in a situation that's not producing any new outcomes is the definition of insanity. So the universe and the divine will only give you so many chances and signs and warnings to walk away from a situation before they step in and bring it all down. Sometimes everything has to fall away so you can be forced to walk in your highest good. The Tower in reverse is about denial, and delays. So yeah, there's definitely some denial here. Someone's trying to hold on, and someone's perception of this Ten of Cups is totally different than someone else's. Okay, Taurus, so it may be time to be like the wolf, okay? And become accustomed to the self without others, to walk toward a calling on your own life, and to manifest something more expansive in your life. The cauldron is creativity, surprising yourself. You may surprise yourself when you face your shadow side, when you face the truth. When you choose yourself, trust your intuition. And when you decide to stop holding on to things that have hurt you, that have brought you no fruits, betrayal, pain. And it may be time to accept the truth, or to really evaluate which side you're on in this third-party situation, and really redetermine what it is that you want. What is your true Ten of Pentacles? Is it true happiness, or the resemblance of happiness? Or is it being on the outside of the truth, of the reality, and not the illusion? Okay, let's see who's coming in for Taurus. First, we're going to pull a card for what may be crossing Taurus at this time, and the conflict that may arise. What is crossing Taurus during this period, and what conflict may Taurus face during this period? What's crossing Taurus? What's their conflict? One card, please. One card for Taurus's conflict during this period. The Spider. Community and web weaving. Intuitively, to me, this is all about social media, okay? This is Instagram, this is Facebook, this is Twitter, this is anywhere where communication can be spread. This is all about conspiring, working with others to weave a web of deception, or this could also mean protecting, creating a cocoon or web around what you perceive to be yours. This is also, to me, I love the line where Pac says, "Oh, what a tangled web we weave when we conspire to deceive." Once you get caught in the web, it's very difficult to get out of it. There's could be Saturn going direct and decisions that have been made over the past year. Some may be wanting to move forward from them, but they can't. Stuck in the own webs that we weave, or others being stuck in the webs that they've tried to weave around you. The conflict and what's crossing you at this period could definitely be trickery, lies, deception, things being spread, or secrets coming out, being exposed online, or in your community, etc. But let's see what the guide has for this card. Then we're going to go right into who's coming through for you, Taurus. Okay, Spider. Community and web weaving. She spins her silk alone, in the dark with hope of collection, sticky with dreams, weaving the worlds a wide web of connection. She spins her silk alone, in the dark with hope of collection, sticky with dreams, weaving the worlds a wide web of connection. So this is about someone who has been betrayed, or who is stuck in their shadow, aspects of themselves, in the dark, but hope is in the warped ideas of revenge, or an eye for an eye, or feeling betrayed by the world, or feeling as though your pain in the past gives you the right to lash out, or to get your hope through manipulation, or through weaving a web. Okay, if I get trapped, you get trapped, that kind of thing. Masses of sticky spider webs make a Halloween decoration complete. The idea of a haunted house covered in the artwork of a big hairy spider is classic horror. Even those of us who appreciate our eight-legged friends still hurriedly brush off those stealthy webs if we run into them in the dark. Spider webs can be seen as a symbol of connection, not necessarily entrapment. There is a fine line sometimes between a family or community supporting us and controlling us. This card looks at this discernment. It also suggests you review the way you communicate with the wider community, at work, or generally with others, and take steps to improve this or do it slightly differently. It also indicates that there needs to be a balance between what you do for yourself and what you do for others. If we give too much to the outside, our strength diminishes and we cannot weave the supportive web for ourselves. Be mindful of feeling so betrayed and so taken advantage of that you feel like that you're right to do that to others. There's a fine line between a family or community supporting us and controlling us. It's all about discernment between the two, and that is your conflict during this period, Taurus. Who is coming through for Taurus? Who and what is coming through for Taurus? Remember, we do have that Tower in reverse on the bottom of the deck, okay? The universe is going to be stepping in to the situation, okay? Because there's definitely some loss and a disconnection here. Someone's at the end of a burden with the 10 of Wands, okay? And yeah, there's definitely denial and avoidance and reluctance to make a decision here. So who is coming through for Taurus? Who and what is coming through for Taurus during this period? Who's coming through? Bottom of the deck, 4 of Wands in reverse. Someone is coming through, and there is something regarding a union, okay? A union that's being blocked, a divine twin flame union. This has been kind of prevalent in a few readings, but if it's not a divine twin flame connection, it's definitely a soul connection. But the 4 of Wands definitely indicates a divine union, okay? 1111. Who and what is coming through for Taurus? Ace of Cups in reverse, the 4 of Swords, and the 6 of Cups. We just got done talking about there's a fine line between what did it say? A fine line between a family or community supporting us and controlling us. What's coming through for you, Taurus, is who's coming through for you is we have water energy, okay, and then like I said, in your energy it was wanting to recover, holding on towards Virgo Capricorn. Either you're holding on to Taurus Virgo Capricorn or they're holding on to you. Who's coming through for you? It's water energy here. We have air and water, okay? Something very serious with family and community is happening, and it's a very tangled web that's being weaved, okay? We have the Ace of Cups here in reverse. We have the 4 of Swords here, okay? Air energy, and we have the 6 of Cups. So what's coming through for you is Sagittarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Someone is and it goes back to whoever it is that's in your current energy, this King of Cups energy that either is abusive or is being abused.